out at the creek till about 2:30. Now it's now it's time to jet back. Do a barbecue at the house. So looking forward to that. Everyone works tomorrow, unfortunately, so it can't be a late night. But doesn't mean we can't have some good food, some good times, some good people. So hope you guys all had a good weekend. This will probably be towards the end of the stitching. I have a feeling the GoPro's dying. Unfortunately, I missed it. There was an epic splash pass earlier where Tay went and splash pass ride. Absolutely annihilated him. And I had the dang GoPro on, but not recording. So I wish I had the one of these days I'll buy a newer one that accepts a bigger SD card and its battery works better, and I'll bring my thing. Oh, we might have a splash pass here. We do a bit of a splash pass. All right. Not gonna lie, that was way less epic than the one that she did to Ryan. But we got that one on camera in the same video of talking about it. That's epic. Yeah, we're gonna try it. We're gonna see about getting a newer GoPro, something that will take like a half, 100 something, 250 gig card. I just kind of dread having to go through that much footage. As it is, this one's like 32 or 64 gig, and it's a nightmare going through that much footage. But we'll do it for you guys. And Hoover, if you're watching this is for you. Quite frankly, I would have rather gone up the rocks. This would have done it. Jeep would do it too. Yeah, the rocks would have been way more fun. They, sometimes it's wild the trails we take. It's like, we'll take the super easy trail for a super long time. Then all of a sudden, like, pick the absolute hardest line imaginable, but like skip all these really cool offshoots and stuff. I want to come up here with Brooks Matt with the Jeep. There's some good trails back up in here. That was a bad day. Yeah, he ripped off the whole knuckle. That's gonna suck. Ready for a swim?